The way to file an asbestos-mesothelioma lawsuit. Some important aspects need to be taken under consideration by sufferers found to endure mesothelioma cancer and are able to file a mesothelioma lawsuit. Before taking the further step into this matter, the patient must check out the advice of an experienced mesothelioma lawyer to be able to get a better understanding associated with the mesothelioma law. Once this mesothelioma lawsuit ends successfully, the patient can get compensation through which he will be in a position to afford the medical bills and other expenses which might be related to the mesothelioma cancer. The mesothelioma patient has to remember that during the past other mesothelioma lawsuits have been filed and still have ended with mesothelioma sufferers receiving large amounts of dollars, thousands as compensation for the diagnosis into mesothelioma. Lately, mesothelioma lawsuits have changed into an important help for those persons who developed this disease, allowing them to benefit from this compensation. Lawsuits have been filed by individuals who have handled asbestos in their field of labor, and as such employing companies are asked to provide this compensation for his or her ex-employees because they haven't disclosed the risks of handling this lethal material. Mesothelioma lawyers prove of the fact that contact with asbestos or products associated with this mineral is the one to have lead to the injury, a lot of the times ending up with the death of asbestos-mesothelioma cancer sufferer. If you begin file for your mesothelioma lawsuit earlier, you will be in a position to receive compensation in due time, allowing you to accommodate the medical bills, the required support and treatment alike. To begin a lawsuit, you need to find an experienced mesothelioma attorney at law. They might be located inside reputable law firms, but also browsing the internet in search of good references that this lawyer got from previous cases and clients. Once you find the appropriate mesothelioma attorney, you need to make sure that the individual is updated with all the necessary information that incorporate the mesothelioma condition, the diagnosis, as well as the prognosis, as all the data helps the lawyer build a strong case. You're able to as well give all the facts regarding the period whenever you had to deal with the material, whenever you were exposed to it and how long, and if you had any knowledge concerning the risks you're facing at that time. Everything is important in this type of case, so make certain to have all these delivered to your mesothelioma attorney to get a successful outcome of the asbestos-mesothelioma lawsuit. I have set up the website specifically for those people who do not know where to start. Then they find out that they, or someone close to them, has contracted mesothelioma. Permission is hereby granted to reprint this article as long as proper credit is given, including the information handling about the author, Francisco Rodriguez. Do you need a mesothelioma lawyer? http://www.mesotheliomaattorneyfreeconsultation.com